Our journey with prefab the last 4 years is that we've looked at the industry and it's changed, right? There is not a lot of young folks that are entering the trades. So there is a huge vacuum in skilled tradesmen. Our leadership here took a look at what can we do to kind of move to a more manufacturing mindset.
So I do different things related to BIM, like coordination, 3D modeling, drawings, detailing, things like that. The number one thing that MSUITE helps us is spooling. First of all, MSUITE has like a very friendly layout, so you have all the tools or everything you need to do spooling in Revit at hand. If we do an update to any drawing, anything, they have it right away. They get a notification, so they know what have been changed, and they can do it before they send anything to the field. The same way, we have the same feedback from them. If they need to replace, to change something, or they're not able to build something, they put the notes in the MSUITE, we get the notification, and we update your 3D model.
We specialize in a facet of trades, multi-trade racks, plumbing, mechanical, you name it. So before we had MSUITE, we were just like every other company with a carbon copy. Guys would have to come in, get the prints from me, and go and do their job. Now with MSUITE, we're able to get it in real time. If it changed today, we get it today. So I've been here for approximately 2 years now. We've had MSUITE for going on 1 year, and I can tell a definite production acceleration in the past year since we've been using MSUITE.
We all have our own tablets, our own accounts. Everyone has access to everything. So like if there's a project coming in, everyone can access it at any time.
It's got all the information on there that we needed, plus a little bit extra for some questions down the road that we might have already asked. It's already on MSUITE.
It reduces the manual labor in a lot of things. When material comes in, I can throw it on there. It's all digitized. It's amazing.
There is so much work that goes into the planning process before it even gets to operations. The team works through that whole plan, it gets into MSUITE, and then on the operations side, we can now have this live dashboard of what is going on with our projects.
It's been shown that when you do it right the first time, the attitude is good. We can get spools right over to our team that are accurate, that can be built right the first time. Prior to MSUITE, I can't tell you how much rework we had. It cost us a lot of money. MSUITE has virtually eliminated that. We eliminated rework. We've tried a number of applications over the time, and MSUITE has emerged as the undisputed champion.